Okay, so hi everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss about subtracting and adding string of numbers. So still with civil service exam review sa numerical ability. So ano ba yung string of numbers? Pag sinabi natin string of numbers, it is just a set of numbers. So maraming numbers. So for example, mag-a-add ka ng maraming numbers or sasubtract ka ng maraming numbers. So yung pong pag-uusapan natin dito sa video na to. So, ang rule natin sa mga string of numbers, pag adding and subtracting string of numbers, combine like signs to form a single term of each sign. So, combine all positive numbers, combine all negative numbers. So, after combining, may answer ka na, may sagot ka na, you have to solve it. Okay? So, ito usually pag masyadong maraming numbers involved. So, to make it simpler, you combine like signs, then you solve the problem. Okay, so let's try do some exercises. So, may examples tayo dito para madali nyo maintindihan. Okay, for example, dito meron tayong string of numbers. So, ano yung first rule natin? Sabi sa first rule natin, combine like signs. So, let us all combine all the positive numbers. So, ano yung mga positive numbers dito? Meron tayong 8. Meron tayong 6. So, 8 plus 6 plus 4 and plus 2. So if you're going to add that, 8 plus 6, that is 14. 14 plus 4, that is 18. 18 plus 2, that is equal to 20. Now, let's combine all the negative signs. We have negative 9, minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, and minus 1. Okay, so if we are going to add all this, 9 plus 7, that is 16. 16 plus 5, that is 21. 21 plus 3, that is 24, plus 1, that is 25. You carry the negative sign, that is negative 25. Okay? So, now, let's solve. Na-combine na natin lahat ng positive. Na-combine na din natin lahat ng mga negative. So, let's solve this. Yung third step natin. So, 20 minus 25. Okay, so you proceed with subtraction and carry the sign of the bigger number. So, mas malaki si 25 kay 20. So, therefore, when we subtract 25 by 20, that will give you 5 and the sign is negative. So, our answer here is negative 5. Okay? So, pwede nyo gawin ito straight. Hanapin nyo lahat ng positive, hanapin nyo lahat din ng negative. So, mayroon din yung mga iba na kina-cancel out nila yung mga, for example, ito, pwede nyo din i-combine si negative 7 at saka si negative 1, that is equal to negative 8. So, pwede nyo din i-cancel si positive 8. Okay? So, pwede din ganyan kung gusto nyo. Pero, ito dito, isushow ko sa inyo kung paano gawin na yung parang baby step. Okay? So, lahat muna ilalagay natin sa like signs and then isosolve natin. Okay? So, next is we can have another example here. Another one. So, we have 6, 3. Okay, so let's get all the positive sign. 6 is positive. 3 is positive. What else? 4 is positive. And 2 is positive. Okay, so when we add this, that will give you 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. And the sign is positive. Now, let's go with the negative signs. We have negative 4. Okay, then we have minus 7, minus 11. Okay, and that is equals to 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 11, that is 22. Then you carry the sign of negative. Then let's solve. Okay, so 15 minus 22, proceed with subtraction and carry the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so because unlike sign sila, that will give us an answer of negative 7. Okay, so therefore, this is negative 7. Okay, so pwede nyo din i-cancel out. For example, dito pwede nyo i-automatically cancel si negative 4 at saka si positive 4. Diba? Kasi pareho lang sila. This will magiging 0 yan, minus 4 and plus 4. Okay? So next, we have another example for this, adding and subtracting string of numbers. Mabilis lang, di ba? Simple lang. Okay, so next is we have positive 6 plus 7 and plus 12. So when you add this, 6 plus 7, that will give you 13. Then 13 plus 12, that is equals to 25. Then we have negative 14 or minus 14 minus 8 minus 4. Okay, when you combine that, okay, 14 plus 8, that is equals to 22. Okay, plus 4, that is 26. You carry the negative sign, that is negative 26. Okay, so proceed. Let's solve. 25 minus 26. That will give us negative 1. So this one equal to negative 1. Okay, very easy, di ba? Madali lang mag-solve ng strings of numbers. So you combine all like signs, then solve. Okay, so we have another example. So let's combine negative 12, okay, minus 16, minus 10, minus 11. Okay, so 12 plus 16, that is 28. 28 plus 10 equals to 38. 38 plus 11, that is 49. You carry the negative sign, negative 49. So let's go with the positive. Okay, we have plus 5, plus 2, plus 8, and plus 14. Okay, so 5 plus 2 is equals to 7, plus 8, that is 15. 15 plus 14, that is equals to 29. So let's solve. Minus 49 plus 29. Unlike sign, proceed to subtraction and carry the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so 49 minus 29 is 20. Since 49 is bigger than 29, you carry the sign of 49, which is negative. So therefore, ang answer natin dito is negative 20. Okay. So we still have last one example. Mabilis lang ang pag-solve ng mga string of numbers. Okay, so practice lang po ang kailangan. So dito naman, let's start with positive 7 plus 7 plus 12 plus 9 plus 3. Okay, when you add 7 plus 7, that is 14. 14 plus 12, that is 26. 26 plus 9, that is 35. And 35 plus 3, that will give you 38. Now let's go with a negative sign. Okay, minus 2, minus 8, minus 15, minus 5, and minus 6. So if we are going to add this, 2 plus 8, that is 10, plus 10 plus 15, that is 25, 25 plus 5, that is 30, 30 plus 6 is 36. You carry the negative sign, so that is minus 36. So let's solve. 38 minus 36, that will give us an answer of positive 2. Okay? So therefore, this equation, ang answer natin is 2. Okay, so madali lang po mag-solve ng mga string of numbers. So just follow our rules. You combine the like signs to form a single term for each. Okay, so and then you have to solve. So kung combine all positive, combine all negative, then solve. Okay? So, kung may mga comments kayo, feel free to write your comments below. We'll get back to you. And kung may mga suggestions kayo, okay, please comment po. Okay? So, don't forget also to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.